Are you guys looking for a vegan alternative to protein? This is going to be a wonderful addition to your home. I love this packaging. It is so cute and colorful. And the cool thing about this is it is vegan, but there's no nasty ingredients in this. So for someone who struggles to find really good protein and has good quality ingredients in it, I am so happy. So the thing about this is the people who started this is a husband and wife duo from Dublin, Ireland, and they wanted to find something that they could make to enhance their busy lives. So they created this really cute little EarthChimp organic protein powder. So let's go make a shake. So I've added a little couple cubes of ice and about 10 ounces of water to this. We're going to be using the NutriBullet today, and we're going to be adding 2 scoops of our protein powder. And this is cool because it's dairy free, it's gluten free, it's gum free. And this is a 2-pound bag, and I think that you're gonna get a ton of uses out of this. And I'm going to be adding just a handful of strawberries and bananas that are already frozen. And I always love adding peanut butter just for a little bit of extra fat for my benefit. Feel free to omit it. And we're going to put the lid on our NutriBullet. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. Okay, this is the very first time that I have ever tried this, and I did make it a little bit thick today, so I'm gonna just kind of eat it like ice cream. But I love that it has 1 billion probiotics per 2 scoops of protein. So, that is really good. It has a nice smooth flavor to it, and I like the consistency of it, and it's a really great addition of fiber. There's 4 grams of fiber in it. So if you're looking for really delicious organic and vegan protein powder, I highly recommend this one. I have the vanilla flavor, and they have other ones available as well. So good.